I'm living in this world, I'm a normal being. So what you gonna name me, give me happy feeling. You want me so bad, you don't know what you have, but you don't think of me as living by your side. You call me Batman, then I'm a spider on the wall. You say I'm super, but I'm a trooper in the wall, Mr. Incredible.